Hey guys, another quick hitter here for you today. A little upside down triangle from a slack. Let's get into it. We're going to start in a trapeze, and with your throw hand pointer finger, we are going to expand the triangle or the trapeze that is currently on your non-throw hand. As you can see here, we are moving the yo-yo over our non-throw hand and making a little wrap around the back. You don't need to do a full circle of this. We're going to do about a quarter to a half, I guess you could say about a third. So you can see from this angle, as soon as it starts to get tight, we'll stop, because the next step will be to go into it, as we'll see here in the next clip. We'll go back into the single string on that side. We'll see a good angle here. Quarter to a third, back in, non-throw hand comes behind. And then we have a string there on our throw hand pointer. We're going to throw that around the left side of the yo-yo, or counterclockwise, and the slack will hang there. All we'll need to do is pop it up for an upside down triangle. Let's watch the trick again. Here it is, smooth, slack, and pop. Hope you guys enjoyed.